I am especially honored to play a small role in this wonderful occasion, and I know they will make one of the most happily married couples. It's a proven fact that if it rains on your wedding day, you get a lucky marriage.
We've been through a lot, good times and bad, happy and sad, but we stuck out these times together, and it has made us stronger. You're my best friend and love of my life, the piece to my life that I never knew was missing. You continue to see me as the most beautiful woman in the world, even through my flaws and imperfections. I know life will bring us new challenges, but I am so blessed to have you by my side and to tackle them together. I promise to not only be your wife, but your teammate, your biggest cheerleader, and your #1 fan. When we're old and gray, I promise I will see you as the charming 20-something-year-old I fell in love with. Thank you for loving me the way you do and for being my person, my home.
I can't believe it has been over 9 years since the first time that I picked you up for our first date. And since that day, I have known that you're the one that I want to spend the rest of my life with. I want to thank you for letting me be me and loving me for who I am. I promise to always be there for you, to always support you, to talk to you and listen to you, to care for you, to protect you, to continue to grow with you, and give you all the love that I have for the rest of my days. Will you stay here with me and be my bride? Because you're my best friend, the love of my life, my everything. You're my cover girl.
Tara and Ryan, under the authority granted to me by the Commonwealth of Massachusetts, I pronounce you husband and wife. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my honor to be the first to introduce you to Mr. and Mrs. Ryan and Tara Keddy.
First and foremost, I want to say how breathtakingly beautiful Tara looks tonight. Tara and Ryan have the ability to effortlessly make connections and build friendships with anyone. May your love continue to grow, and may your journey together be filled with laughter, love, and adventure. Here's to a lifetime of happiness. Cheers.
I do have a few stories that I could share with you all, but I don't think those are stories to share with on your wedding day. So, but if you guys want to know, ask her about the story about her pinky toes. This is truly the happiest I've seen my brother Ryan, and I know it's because he is married his best friend today. And to quote the newlyweds in words that are often spoken in their home, let's have it now the seltzer. Cheers.